Hello, my name is Perla Morales. I'm a product manager for the Unified Endpoint Management team under the Customer Acceleration team. Today's topic will be about remote help with Microsoft Intune. To get started, Remote Help is a cloud-based solution for secure help desk connections with role-based access control. Remote Help is also available as an Intune add-on. So with this connection with Remote Help, your support staff can remotely connect to a user's device and view their display. The key benefits of remote help with Microsoft Intune first is that security is at the heart of this solution. Remote help enforces entry authentication and conditional access policies, so every support session is protected by strong identity controls and device compliance checks. Before a session begins, helpers see warnings if a device isn't compliant, which adds to transparency and helps us avoid risky actions with sensitive credentials. Also, integration is seamless. Remote Help is built natively into Microsoft Intune and the broader M365 ecosystem. That means our support workflows are unified and we can leverage existing tools and policies without extra overhead. It's also a cross-platform solution and scalable. So whether our end users are on Windows, macOS, Android, Remote Help supports all. This flexibility is crucial in our workforce becomes more mobile and diverse. Ultimately, remote help empowers our support teams to deliver fast, secureable assistance while maintaining compliance and leverage of the full power of Microsoft cloud-based management tools. The capabilities within remote help is that once remote help is enabled tenant-wide, meaning it's available across the organization and can be managed centrally. Not only that, but with remote help, we have role-based access control, which ensures only authorized support staff can initiate sessions. This adds an extra layer of security and compliance. Every support session requires an organization login, and remote help even works with unenrolled devices, so we assist users regardless of the enrollment status. Before connecting, helpers receive compliance warnings if a device doesn't meet policy requirements. This transparency helps us make informed decisions and avoid risky actions, especially when sensitive credentials are involved. If a device isn't enrolled, helpers are prompted with a clear notification. For devices that are enrolled, helpers can access detailed compliance information directly from the Intune Admin Center, making troubleshooting more efficient. Also, remote help also supports with elevation of privilege. So if an action requires administrative credentials, authorized helpers can securely interact with the UAC prompt on the user's device. With remote help, we also have enhanced chat capabilities, meaning every message is tracked in a continuous thread, supporting special characters in multiple languages. This makes communication clear and accessible for diverse teams. Finally, with remote help, helpers can remotely start sessions by sending notifications directly to the user's devices, streamlining the connection process and eliminating the need for session codes. All these features are designed to make remote help secure, efficient, and user-friendly. Here we could see on the administrator side, when we go to a specific device, under the ellipsis, we could run a new remote assistant session. Once we click that, we have the ability to see the device name, and under that, we continue when we select Remote Help. After that, the administrator is notified to launch the Remote Help desk application. Once that's done, the end user receives a notification that a specific administrator wants to help on a specific device. And then if the end user clicks Open Remote Help, the end user then is prompted that the administrator can see the screen and allows for that remote session. Then the administrator gets notified that they could go ahead and view the screen of the specific user. Once that initiates, the remote help session starts and the administrator is able to expand that screen and then have complete remote access to that end user. With that in mind, how does remote help align with our Zero Trust Key principles? And it's important to note that in today's environment, strong authentication and robust security controls are absolutely essential. Remote help leverages these principles by requiring secure, real-time connections between help desk and end users, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access and assist with devices. Every support session is protected by strong authentication. Therefore, we know exactly who is connecting and why. Secure controls are enforced at every step, from initial login to session elevation, which means sensitive actions are always monitored and controlled. Remote help integration with Microsoft Intune and Entra ensures that organization policies are consistently applied and compliance is maintained throughout every remote session. This approach not only protects our data and devices, but it also builds trust with our users by making security visible and actionable. Ultimately, remote help is designed to support our zero trust strategy by providing secure, efficient, and compliant remote support that adapts to the evolving needs of our workforce. With that, thank you and have a great day.